How to list all startup services in Linux. Hello guys and welcome back to Delph Stack. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see every service that automatically starts when your Linux system boots. So first of all, let's talk about how to check startup services on modern Linux. So most modern Linux distros like Ubuntu, Red Hat, CentOS 7 Plus, Fedora, Debian, and Kali use systemd. To list all services that are enabled to start at boot, you got to run the command systemctl space list -unit -files space --type equal service space --state equal enabled. If you're not able to follow along the command, you can simply go to the description box and copy the command from there. So this command shows every service that is configured to launch automatically when your system boots. Next, let's talk about how you can view all services and their status. So if you want to see the current status of all services running, stopped, and failed, you're going to use the command systemctl space list -units space --type equal service. So this doesn't just show startup services, it shows everything currently active in memory. And if you're using an older Linux distro like RHEL 6 or CentOS 6, those use SysVinit instead of systemd. To list all startup services there, you gotta run the command chkconfig space --list. But since I'm using the newer version, this command doesn't exist here. But if you're using the older version, this will print a list of all services and whether they start in each run level. And that's it. Now you know how to list every service that starts automatically on Linux, whether you're using systemd or SysVinit. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.